Welcome to LUX Architectural Products. In this video, we will walk through the process of measuring your home before ordering your LUX V-groove cladding. LUX V-groove can be ordered by the box or custom cut for your needs. When ordering LUX V-groove by the box, you can choose either 6-inch V-groove with 8 panels per box or 4-inch with 10 panels per box. The 6-inch box will cover 48 square feet, while the 4-inch will cover 40. In addition to measuring the V-groove square footage, you will also need to calculate your trims. If you require assistance determining which trim to use, be sure to download our V-groove installation guide. The installation guide can help successfully calculate your terminations or corners. To begin preparing your home for a LUX V-groove installation, start by measuring the total square footage of your first area. Next, measure any doors or windows in this area and subtract them from your total square footage. By subtracting the square footage of the windows and doors from your total square footage, you will be left with the square footage of V-groove required for the corresponding area. Continue this procedure for the other outside surfaces of your home. Next, you will calculate the square footage of any triangles, gables, or other oblong shapes. To do so, measure the base of a triangle along with the height, then multiply them together and divide by 2. Combine this total with the total square footage you calculated earlier. Finally, take your total square footage number and divide it by 40 for 4-inch V-groove or by 48 if you are using the 6-inch product. The result is the total number of LUX V-groove boxes required for your installation. If you require custom cut V-groove for your installation, once again, begin by measuring the height required. Then, count the amount of custom cut product you will need to cover the corresponding area. For tapered or non-square areas, always measure the highest point or maximum length the panel would need to cover. Now, count how many panels you will need of each custom length. Next, it's time to measure your trims. Choose the appropriate trim recommended from the installation guide. We are using J trims and base trims. Refer to the V-groove installation guide for detailed instructions on how to correctly install your trims. Congratulations! You have now successfully measured your home for the installation of LUX V-groove.